Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin pie from your garden. First, let's talk about growing the perfect pie pumpkins. Choose varieties like sugar pie or Dickinson for their sweet, dense flesh. Plant your seeds in sunny, well-drained soil after the danger of frost has passed. Give them about 1 inch of water weekly and watch them grow. Harvest when the skin is a deep orange and firm, usually around 90 to 100 days after planting. Now that you've harvested your beautiful pumpkins, it's time to make the puree. Wash your pumpkin thoroughly, then cut it into 2-inch pieces, discarding the seeds and stringy pulp. Roast these pieces at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until they are fork tender. Scoop out the soft flesh and blend it until it's perfectly smooth. You can freeze any extra puree for up to 3 months. With your fresh pumpkin puree ready, let's create the delicious pie filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of your homemade pumpkin puree with 1 cup of rich heavy cream. Whisk in 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, add your warm spices: 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Mix everything until it's perfectly smooth and fragrant. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour your smooth pumpkin pie filling into an unbaked 9-inch pie crust. Bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes. The pie is done when a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Let it cool for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying your garden-fresh pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.